Imagine a place where over 2,000 ancient temples rise from a golden plain, where the sunrise turns the landscape into a glowing sea of pagodas, and where history stretches back over 1,000 years. Welcome to Bagan, Myanmar, one of the most magical places on earth. Bagan once served as the capital of the pagan kingdom, the first empire to unify Myanmar. Between the 11th and 13th centuries, its kings built nearly 10,000 religious monuments, temples, pagodas, shrines, and monasteries. Today, over 2,200 still stand, making Bagan one of the largest archaeological sites in the world. Visitors from around the globe come here for its breathtaking sunrises, unforgettable hot air balloon rides, and the spiritual calm that surrounds each ancient structure. It's a place that feels completely frozen in time. Bagan's architecture reflects a beautiful blend of Buddhism, ancient Burmese craftsmanship, and influences from India and Sri Lanka. Temples like Ananda, with its gleaming gilded spires, represent classic Burmese symmetry and design. Meanwhile, the Dhammayangyi temple is famous for its mysterious and massive brickwork, which has earned it the nickname, the Pyramid of Bagan. And you can't miss Shwezigon Pagoda, one of the area's earliest golden shrines, which became the model for countless pagodas built across Myanmar afterward. Bagan isn't just a city of ruins, it's a living testament to a civilization's devotion, artistry, and identity. Among Bagan's most iconic temples, a few truly stand out. There's Ananda Temple, known for its stunning interior Buddha statues that seem to change expression as you walk past them. Shwezigon Pagoda is famous for offering some of the best sunrise and sunset views over the entire plain. Thilaminlo Temple is rich with ancient carvings that tell stories of a forgotten time. And at Sulamani Temple, you can find incredible murals dating back over 800 years. Every single temple here tells its own story, from royal dedications to incredible architectural evolution. So how does Bagan compare to other famous sites like Angkor Wat or Borobudur? Well, Angkor Wat in Cambodia is a single, massive temple complex, while Bagan is an entire ancient city spread across a vast plain. Bagan actually has far more temples, over 2,200, compared to Angkor's roughly 72 major structures. While Angkor is more detailed in its stone carvings, Bagan offers a much larger landscape and a more diverse range of temple styles. And what about Borobudur in Indonesia? Borobudur is the world's single largest Buddhist monument, but Bagan is overwhelmingly larger as an archaeological site. Borobudur is one iconic temple, whereas Bagan features hundreds of unique architectural designs. Plus, Bagan offers those sunrise hot air balloon rides over thousands of temples, a unique experience you just can't get anywhere else. In the end, Bagan stands out for its sheer scale, its spiritual atmosphere, and its timeless sweeping landscape, making it one of the most visually spectacular ancient sites on Earth. If you're planning a trip, the best time to visit Bagan is from November to February, when the weather is cooler and the skies are perfectly clear for those magical sunrises. Speaking of sunrise, it is truly the most magical hour. Everything turns a brilliant shade of gold as hot air balloons begin to rise gracefully into the sky. You can explore the plains on an electric bike, climb up to designated viewpoints for incredible photos, or just take quiet moments to reflect in the untouched countryside. One of the best things about Bagan is that it isn't overly commercialized, which means the experience feels authentic, peaceful, and full of genuine charm. Bagan isn't just another travel destination, it's a journey back through time. It's a place where ancient kings left behind thousands of temples that continue to inspire awe and wonder today. While it competes with giants like Angkor and Borobudur, Bagan stands apart with its incredible scale, its serene beauty, and its timeless spiritual energy. If you ever dream of walking through history, if you want to witness a sunrise that feels like you've stepped into another world, then Bagan, Myanmar, is waiting for you. This is Bagan, a golden city of temples, a masterpiece of human devotion and imagination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more incredible journeys.